Good. Very nice. So, keep your elbows quietly at your sides. Good. Then, stay on a circle at C. That's all right. Push him right back there. Push him right back there. You know, he didn't even notice till you started to sort of slow down and took your aids away. Walk on. Cluck a bit. Cluck a bit. And use your left leg, left leg, left leg. And now, instead of facing him to the camera, instead, you're going to think, what if I do a shoulder in going by that camera the next time? Okay? So we're going to stay on a circle to the left. Keep your elbows nicely bent, Lydia. And you just stay quiet. Keep your right leg steady. Good boy. Now walk 2 steps and trot. Good boy. And trot. A bit. Cluck a bit. Good. Now think shoulder in. And going shoulder in. Left leg. Shoulder in. Doesn't matter. Shoulder in. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Go forward. Go forward. Go forward. Good boy. Shoulder in. Now trot. And pet him. And circle 20 meters. We're going to just get through this. Yep, now forward in the trot. A little more forward. Say good boy. Keep your legs quietly there. That's it. And forward. Don't look at anything but his left ear. And now think shoulder in. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Shoulder in. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Shoulder in. Cluck, 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 cluck to him. Yep, there you go. Now pet him. What a good horse. And now think of a medium trot. Ride medium. Bigger. Good boy. Now don't think of bringing him back. Just keep going. Now start riding shoulder in. Just left leg near him. Just left leg. Keep your left leg. Keep your left leg. Keep your left leg. Boy, pet him. Good boy. We're going to keep going. Super job. Now medium trot. Find your trot. Yep. Keep your right hand real still by the wither. Even ask for medium trot. Don't pull back. Just shoulder in, left foot. Just shoulder in, left foot. Don't even kick. Just, yep, that's good boy. You just have to bring that angle up, okay? Super. Now medium trot, almost extended. Good horse. Pet him. And now keep that forward thought. Now just look at his left ear and just try to bring his left ear a little in. A little leg. Hardly at all. Hardly at all. Better than the last time, right? The next time, you're just going to keep your rhythm. Medium trot. The next time, you're just going to keep your rhythm in your thoughts like a dance. Watch only his left ear, and even less, just keep your left foot forward. Relax. Keep your left foot forward. Trot, 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 trot. Good girl. You did great, Lydia. That was better. Okay? Because life is going to throw you things like the cameraman. Even in the big of the world, there's and right down by the end of the ring, or right down, right here, shoulder in, not too much hand, not too much leg. Look at it, good, did you pet him? What a good boy home he is, right? Now, look at me. You're going to change through the circle toward me. So you're just going to change right now to start turning left, and you're going to come toward me. Good boy, and you're going to come around, and we're going to circle right. Same, it's going to think the same way, you already know that. Right now, start thinking shoulder in, right, look at his right ear, and shoulder in, go back up. Yeah. Now see, when you got there, you needed to not think I got to circle around. Think right now, straight. Look at straight. Yeah, keep right leg, good, right, back, good boy, homie, and circle. In this moment of difficulty, you become the pilot that says, homie, come on my brain. Look at his ear, right ear. Breathe in, breathe out. In, breathe out. Don't even have to lean back and hold back, even that. All right, great. You did awesome. Circle again. Medium trot. Push. Good boy. Pet him. Now talk loud to me right now. Start talking. Oh boy, oh boy. You pet him. Say good boy. You're taking his brain away from thinking of the camera onto your right leg and onto your voice. Feel forward. Now you're going to think more shoulder in. So just start bringing the shoulder in. And now relax. And now talk loud. Say 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Time. The next time, try not to leave the rhythm. So you're getting shoulder in, right, Lydia? But only in trot, and you're going to say, good boy, good boy, good boy in trot rhythm. Start now. Trot rhythm, good boy, relax. Trot rhythm, good boy, relax. Look at how well you did. Now go straight down the side. At P, ride a 10-meter circle. Patriot. Little more energy and impulsion. Super, well done. On the next long side, from K, E, ride a shoulder in right. Looking up, breathe in, close legs, close fist, breathe out, shoulder in. At breathe in, close legs, close fist, 8-meter circle. Well done. And again, shoulder in. See how easy the shoulder in is? Now, and then in the corner across the short side, talk, talk, and relax, talk. What a good you are on the diagonal. Straight, look up, riding. Super. At F, ride and left. Add a little more impulsion, just a little. So it's, you know, fun, right? Shoulder in, half halt, and yes, super. By B, 8-meter circle, keep your rhythm, keep the bounce, keep that forward dance, looking up. Enjoy looking up and go back to shoulder in. Super. Shoulder in, forward riding, leg forward, straight. Then shoulder in through the short side, talk loud in rhythm. Shoulder in, you got to have your shoulder right. That's right. Now circle, and we go back to it. On the open part of the circle, medium trot. Go. Good, yeah, trot, trot, brrr. And medium trot, go. Keep your right hand, come on. Yep, good boy. Now talk, 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 loud, 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 bend left. Are you able to back up with that, like even a couple of feet?